All right, Richie, let's take a ride here in this car. It's an iconic car, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28.
This is my favorite, man. I got this on my computer as a screensaver.
Oh yeah, no,
not this one, but the black.
Yeah, no, that's a neat car, man. It's got the, you know, of course, it's got the DC motor, 302, 4-speed Muncie transmission. This thing is numbers matching front all the way to the rear.
Yeah, pretty awesome, rare car.
Yeah, I think it's only got what, 81,000?
It's got 91,000.
Oh, 91,000 original.
Built at the Van Nuys plant, which is kind of rare.
Yeah.
I guess they had a problem there or something back then, and most of them were built in Norwood.
Yep.
Oh man, I got to go through water. I don't want to mess up the side of the car.
Right, and this one's been certified by MacNeish, huh?
Yeah, Gary MacNeish.
Yeah.
We've got the certificate of authenticity.
Yep.
But pretty cool, man. The motor's been freshened up, and
oh yeah,
it was a top-end rebuild or something. But you know, it's got 373 Posi in the back.
Yep, it's got the real thing, man.
And this is the M21.
Yep.
4-speed.
Yep.
Close ratio. Pretty cool. Not a whole lot of options other than that. It's got an AM radio.
Yeah, AM radio, you can see that. And there's the gauges.
It doesn't have power steering, so quit being a baby and muscle up.
Yeah, that's right, man. This is a pure hot rod. Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, and it sounds great with those solid lifter cam and everything. Oh
yeah.
Man, you can't beat that stuff.
It does have power disc brakes though. Stops really nice.
Stops good.
It's got the rally wheels. Cowl hood, front and rear spoilers.
Yep.
The factory tag.
Yeah, no, it's got everything a Z28 is supposed to have. I mean, because it is the real thing.
It's got black plates on it.
Yeah, that's right. It does. Black plates, man, from California.
Check this out. One of my personal favorites, a 1969 Camaro Z28. These cars were awesome, man. They had a 302 solid lifter V8. 290 horsepower was the rating, which we all know they were lying. It's got more than that. Muncie 4-speed, M21. This one's got a 12-bolt 373 Posi-traction differential in the rear, and this is all matching equipment. This is what the car came with. We have a Jerry MacNeish certification on it, certificate of authenticity. He's the Camaro guru that knows all about him. He has records on him. But we have receipts on this car. It's been well taken care of. It's got black plates on there, pretty rare, finished in Dover white with the black stripes. It's got the cowl induction hood there. Of course, the rally wheels, BF Goodrich TA radials are the tire of choice for most muscle cars nowadays. They're not original for this car, but they ride nice, they look good, gives it that classic car look. This one's got the front and rear spoilers. Not many options on this one. It's got power disc brakes and an AM radio. It does have factory gauges, factory tach. Being a 4-speed, nice to have a tachometer on there, but pretty clean. I'll show you the inside. Pretty simple interior. Does have the headrest seats. Of course, the 4-speed with the center console. It's got the shoulder, old school shoulder seat belts from the factory. Back seat's nice and clean. The dash is nice. All the gauges work. Even the original steering wheel there. Beautiful car. Great car for a collector. It's got 91,000 original miles on it. You don't see them like this too often. There's a lot of clones and replicas, which is fine. I sell those too. But this is like a blue chip stamp. Put this one in the collection and watch it rise. Here's the power plant in the 69 Camaro Z28. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 302. They're rated at 290 horsepower, which is really not true. Got the camelback heads on there, the Winters aluminum intake. This is all the correct stuff for Z28. The deep groove pulley, so when you've got the RPMs up there high, you're not throwing a belt. Power brakes, which is a nice option to have, at least so you can stop. And that Muncie 4-speed backed by it is really tight. You know, all the sinkers feel real good. And again, this is a solid lifter motor, so you got to adjust the valves every once in a while, take care of them, and run good fuel in them. But you do that, it's a great motor. It'll last a long time. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. That's a runner. Sounds great. Got that cowl induction up there on the hood. Nice cleaned up engine compartment. Got some headers on there that were added and some Flowmasters. Those items aren't stock, but makes it sound good. We'll go around the back. Yeah. Sounds good, man. Nice solid lifter small block. They're awesome. They pull lots of RPMs. Fun to drive. Well, if you want to see this rare classic out of California Cars, come and visit us. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313, and we'd be happy to show you the car. My name's Rich, that's Gary in the car. We even offer some financing for something like this, so if you don't have all the dough in the bank, we'll get you a loan. Thanks for watching.